Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Young. I am back and today we're going to do another science experiment. I love doing science experiments. I think they're really fun, and when you guys get older you get to learn more about the science of it, okay? Because science can be super fun. When we're done with this, I'm going to put a little story on what is science, and it's going to explain to you everything what science is and how cool it is and how it's all around us. So today we're going to make elephant toothpaste. Wait till you see what happens. Now before we begin, parents, I suggest you do this outside only because it does make a little bit of a mess. If you do decide to do it inside, I suggest you get a tray or something that will hold it all in so that it doesn't get all over your table or your house. So I decided to do it outside in my backyard. Again, we're going to make elephant toothpaste. All you need for this is some warm water. Okay, so I went upstairs. I actually took it out of my sink. It doesn't have to be super hot. I just got a little warm water. You don't need much of it. I put it in a bowl. We need peroxide, which I got from the dollar store. Okay, you're going to need yeast, which I thought this was going to be hard to find, but I found it at Stop and Shop right in the bacon section. Okay, it comes in threes. You only need a little. You need food coloring. And we need a water bottle. And last but not least, you need some soap. It can be any kind of dish soap. It doesn't need to be Dawn. Okay? You do need some, like a measuring cup to measure some stuff, and your measuring spoons. So those are all the tools that you need to do this fun, cool science experiment. Now the first thing you need to do is you need to take your peroxide, and we're just going to use a half a cup. Now I already poured it into my measuring cup, okay? So you take your peroxide, do a half cup, there it is. You take your bowl, not your bowl, you take your bottle, and you're gonna pour it into your bottle without spilling it. Let's see if Mrs. Young can do it. Yep, I'm doing it. Here we go, that was easy. So I poured the peroxide into the bottle. Next, I'm gonna actually take this little water. Actually, I'm gonna go like this for a minute. Mrs. Young's not really. All right, here we go. So I got my little bowl, and I am going to take my little yeast packet, and all you need is 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon, that's it. Not a tablespoon, a teaspoon. I have to put my glasses on so I can see. So I need to find a teaspoon. Let's see. Oh, right here, 1 teaspoon. So this is a teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. So you just need 1 teaspoon of yeast. Let's see. You're going to take your 1 teaspoon of yeast and put it into your bowl. Whoa. There we go. There's 1 teaspoon. So it's like half the packet. Okay? Put it into the bowl. Then you are going to use the hot water now. So you need 2 tablespoons. That's the big one. So you're going to take 2 tablespoons of your hot water. So here's my hot water. I'm going to go 1. And then I'm going to go 2. And you're going to mix it. Mix it really good. You want to make sure all that yeast breaks up and is mixed into the bowl. That's why I think we're using warm water. It helps it break up, because if you used cold water, it wouldn't break it up that much. Okay, so we're mixing. You want it all mixed in. It's going to take me a minute. Give me a minute to mix. Mix it really well. All right, so while that's still sitting and mixing, I'm just going to put it to the side for a minute. I'm going to take my water bottle that I have with the peroxide, and I'm going to put like 2, actually I'm going to do the food coloring first. Right here, here's my food coloring. What color should we do? I think I'm going to do red. Let's do red. I can get it out without getting it all over me. Okay, you ready? So I got my red food coloring. We're going to add 2 to 3 drops of food coloring into the peroxide. Ready? So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. I did 3. I wanted it to be really red. All right. Then I'm going to put a little soap in it too. Okay. I'm going to put like two drops. Ready? 1, oops, 2. There we go. All right, so I put the food coloring in and I put the soap in, and there we go, it's right there. Does everyone see it? If you can look really close, look at the bottom, see how it's all breaking apart? Isn't that cool? See, it's all breaking apart. All right, now we're gonna add the yeast. Wait till you see what happens. Alrighty, boys and girls, I'm gonna clear this out of the way. Let's hope it happens. Oops, Mr. Young's making a mess. All right, so now let's go back to our yeast. So we have our peroxide inside the bottle. We have some food coloring. Then we have a little soap. And in this bowl, I have hot water and I have some yeast. And I'm mixing it around. Not really hot water, it was like warm water. Again, it came right from my sink, so it's not that hot. So the children can definitely do this. Now I have to pour it in this bottle. I'm gonna back up because I have a feeling something's gonna happen. All right, so I'm gonna pour this in and we'll see what happens. A chemical reaction. Oh, my little puppy's getting in it. All right, here we go. Uh-oh, what's gonna happen? Get ready, boys and girls. Keep an eye. What's happening? Let's see. Is anyone noticing it's rising to the top? Look at it. Is it getting higher and higher? Look at it. Can everyone see that? Look at it. It's getting higher and higher. Oh, it's going slow. All kinds of chemical reactions here. Watch, it's going higher and higher. Keep watching. Let's see what's gonna happen. This is cool. It's still going. Uh-oh, what's gonna happen? Look at it. Keep going. Do you think it's gonna come out? Let's see if it comes out. I think it's gonna come out. The yeast is what's making it happen, watch. When it's mixing with the peroxide. Oh, look at it, it's at the top. Get ready, here it comes, boys and girls. Here it comes. Whoa, there's your elephant toothpaste. That is cool. Look at it. Look at it. Isn't that cool? Look at all that. Oh, this is awesome. Look at it. Look at it. It's all coming out. Again, I will find out, I'll explain to you all why this all happened, and I'll write it all out for you guys so that you can all see it. All right? Isn't this awesome? Again, this is science. This is like a chemical reaction. Look at it, it's just pouring out. This is cool. You can touch it too. It's very safe, boys and girls. It smells like soap. It's very safe. Look at it. Yay! It's still pouring out. Look at it. Isn't that cool? I hope you enjoyed this little science experiment because I enjoyed it, okay? I hope to see you all very soon. We're going to be going back to school soon. I can't wait to meet all my new friends, and I can't wait to see all my kindergarten students from last year who are now will be in first grade. So have a safe and fun summer, and I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.